Assalamu alaikum. I am Mubarak Hussain. I am from Bangladesh. I study in Adamji Cantonment College, BBA program. My major subject accounting. I want to say big thank you Sakar International Scholarship Program. Thank you giving for me. I will do more hard working. Thank you so much, grateful them. Sakar International Scholarship. Assalamu alaikum.